Basically, with a wireless network, it takes away that restriction of having a wired and you being placed in one central location. I can take my wireless network, my laptop, or I can go to my backyard, sit in my hammock on a Sunday afternoon and just surf the net. I can pay my bills, I can shop. Now that's a big plus in my book. I saved over $600 last Christmas alone shopping on the internet. Setting up a wireless network is not as hard as someone might think it is. It's basically getting the right terminology in your head, getting the right hardware and placing it inside the network. You can really get away with a wireless network at about $100, $150. This is the easiest way to set up your access point. Everything is a wizard. Now this is set up with SES, which stands for Secure Easy Setup. Click here to start. After you put it in, it'll auto run. Now, the good thing about this wizard is tell you step by step and give you a picture. Make sure everything's connected, your network switch or your router, and of course there is monitoring software that you can use. Really focusing back on the security, we always want to look at maybe an intrusion detection system, which you can purchase. All types of different software vendors out there. There are some free ones, but be careful with the free ones on the internet. What an intrusion detection system will do will allow you to go in and see who's trying to access your wireless network. Now, you don't want these people on your network. You do not want them. Only you. That's your network. You pay your bills, you do everything you need to do on it, not your neighbor, not your neighbor's neighbor, or someone just driving by. There's different types of encryption methods that we can use with wireless networking. As far as your home, it all depends on you. It depends on you on how secure do you want your information.
If you're a technical novice like me, David recommends boning up a little bit on some of the technical terms before you go shopping. An internet search for Wi-Fi, for example, will lead you to definitions that can really help simplify the process. Now, he also told us that you can improve the coverage of your home wireless network by simply adding a larger antenna. And as we saw in the wireless lighting controls earlier, a central location in the home is the best way to get the most coverage in your home.